is the shifting our waist dart to the other position. Shifting our waist dart to the other position. The reason of shifting the dart is it may be due to the look. For example, we do not want any dart in our waist. So we want to shift it either to the French dart, either to the side dart, either to the armhole dart, or to the shoulder dart, or to the mid neckline, then up to the neckline, then center front or the upper center front dart. So we may shift it to the another location. So this is called the dart manipulation. So those who know how to make basic bodice block will learn easily. So we're going to start to pin up to make a basic bodice first. We will not cut the neckline part because we may shift our dart to the neckline part. So this is how we have attached our center front part. Now we will smooth every part apart from the waist one because this is our first basic dart. So we will shift and we will smooth every fabric towards the waist dart. So we are not cutting the extra fabric. So this is our waist dart. Now we need to shift it. So where to shift it? We will go towards the clockwise direction. So first of all we will shift this dart to the French dart. So what we need to do, apart from the French area, we will smooth all the rest part. Okay? So this is our French part. We will smooth. So this time we will also smooth our waist part. This is the fabric around our bust, so we can shift it anywhere. As per the standard design, we shift it towards the waist only, but as per the new designs and as per the requirement of the garment design, we will shift its direction. So here, every of the part of the garment is smooth now, and here is our French dart. So we have smoothed every of the parts of the garment rather than French dart. So we will shift this fabric towards the French dart. You will be making a taping over there. Okay, so that you will be confirming, like here I need to put the dart and here I will be smoothing. I have not put any of the dart because in this particular bodice only I have to shift it to the many directions. But once you make the dart towards the French one or towards the any direction, you will be removing every excess fabric from other areas, and you'll be making the extra fabric towards that particular dart only where you're gonna shift your dart. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
French dart. So we will be marking. This was our and now it has become our
French dart. South Korea.
So now guys, I need to shift my French dart towards my side dart. So what will I do? That every of the side of the fabric apart from the side dart. So guys, this time my base is smooth and my French is also smooth, and every fabric is on my side. So when I shift my dart to the side dart, what will it call?
Side
Is the
dart.
side dart.
Yes.
These darts very carefully. I'm gonna ask one question to you all when I reach to this part. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
What difference you have noticed in each and every dart? Okay? So this is the side dart. Means X will be resolved. It doesn't matter where you wanna put it. Okay? Towards my mid arm. So now this dart is called mid arm. Intake. And this is our dart.
ऐसे लोग को मार लो